Hello out there to all the traders that come in from the Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia. Well, this is Nawang here, and I am one of your favorite market opinion leaders. Coming back again to give you on the small little video cast that covers on CPO trading in Busan, Malaysia. Alright, last week there wasn't any video cast because I was away in the country of Myanmar and I had got little access to the internet. So the video cast was not able to produce on time. So please accept my apology. And this week we're going to have a short week again because on the coming Monday, 6th of October, well, Malaysia is going to celebrate on the Hari Raya Haji seasons, and Busan, Malaysia will be closed on the 6th. Alright, so on this coming week, alright, that stretch from the 6th up to the 10th of October, FCPO December is going to be the active month, and once again we are back here to give you on the outlook of where the price will be going. Okay, based on the monthly chart first, alright, take a look at here on the monthly chart on this FCPO prices, which is trading in the December month. Alright, on last Friday it closed at 2170, 2170 ringgit per ton. And based on the monthly chart, we can see that the top side, alright, is a very strong resistance in the region of 2230, alright, 2230, and which is almost at the top of last 2 months. The market has to go above 2230 in order to be able to climb up higher. Alright, that is the first analysis that we had on the monthly chart. Alright, and when we switch into the weekly chart now, taking a look at this on the weekly chart, last week, the market showed a little bit of a tick, alright, and it went up to the top of 2223 before it came down and closed at 2170. Alright, you can actually tally on the open high look close on this weekly bar. Last week high was 2223. Alright, and EMA 200 averaging line puts a very strong resistance lead here in the region of 2250, and you can look at the price here. Alright, so this week it will be a big challenge if the market has to clear above 2230 up to 2250, which coincides on the monthly chart outlook that we have showed you earlier. Alright, so the first analysis that we had on the monthly and weekly chart is a strong resistance cap on the top side, 2230 to 2250 for the coming week. Alright, then from the weekly chart, let us integrate and move into the day chart. Alright, last week Friday has got a little range, and the market did a small recovery. As we mentioned many times, it closed in the price of 2170 ringgit per ton. Alright, this week we will see that the market will give a very strong and good opportunity to sell in the region of 2200 if it ever comes up here. Alright, which actually forms at a lower price below 2230 and 2250 range. So if the market ever comes up to 2200, that may serve as a good point to sell. But remember to cap your stop orders well, and do not let the market go above 2250 in case it breaks up. Alright, so on the downside, if the market is capped well under 2200 ringgit per ton, then on the downside we should be looking at the first support here, alright, which is in the price of 2130. Alright, 2130 is roughly the support that is formed by the EMA 20 line again on the day chart, and also the low of last week. Alright, low of last week is about 2137. So 2130 should be forming as a very strong immediate support here for the coming week. Alright, only when the market breaks below 2130, alright, now we move into the hourly chart, then where will it go to? Okay, moving below 2130, most likely the market, it could be coming down back here to the second support, which is 2100 ringgit per ton. So to close out our summary here, we are looking possibly on a week downtrend for this coming week, alright, with a resistance coming from the top side at 2200 ringgit per ton, and on the bottom side the first immediate support at 2130, and if this is broken, the market is likely going to move down to 2100 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices. December month will be the active month. Alright, so this is the podcast for Oriental Pacific Futures based on the December month of FCPO trading in Busan, Malaysia. Alright, and the date will be stretching from this week 6th up to the 10th of October, although Monday is going to be a public holiday. This is Dawong here from OPF, Oriental Pacific Futures, and I am one of your favorite market opinion leaders, giving you on the weekly videocast on FCPO. Trade well and protect your profit, control your risk properly, and do come back on next week, early Monday or Tuesday, to look at our podcast again. And we hope to help you trade profitably. Thank you very much, and I shall speak to you again. Bye bye.